Okay, so I heard there was concern about these beds, and I just wanted to show you that these hospital beds, people were concerned about things like the squishy mattress, which is perfectly fine. But the other thing they were really concerned about was like, well, what if the arms of the bed are in my way? So I just wanted to show you that all hospital beds are essentially made the same way. And so if you look on the side of this bed right here on the rail, you can see where I am, right? There's all these buttons. So you can do things like raise the height of the whole bed. You can lower the height of the whole bed, okay? And then if you need this rail to come down, right here is a black bar on this bed. You pull it and the whole thing drops out of your way. And if you want to raise it back up, you just pull it and it snaps. I'm going to walk you to the other bed that looks like this in here so you can see how to do it too. Okay, so the other one that I did was in space G. This one is in space A. And I just wanted to show you same thing. If I come over here to the side of this bed, ooh, this is just the arm, right? Right here on the rail, there's an up and down button. The whole bed is flat. Up. The whole bed is flat. Down. You can move it to whatever height that you need it to be. And this rail on this one, it says lift to release side rail. You literally press it up and the thing just slides down. And then when you want it back up, or if you want it back up, you just pull it. So I hope that's been helpful and you feel more prepared.